Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe Lightroom to match white balance for mixed lighting edits, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Import the photos you want to edit by clicking on the import button in the lower left corner. Once your images are imported, navigate to the library module. Select the photo you want to work with to access the develop module. In the right panel, locate the basic panel, where you'll find the white balance controls. To adjust the white balance, start by looking for the temp and tint sliders. If your photo has mixed lighting, choose the area with neutral tones to sample the white balance. Use the eyedropper tool located just above the basic panel for precise adjustments. Click on a neutral area in the photo, like a gray or white object. Observe how the overall color changes in the image. Adjust the temp slider to warm up or cool down the photo based on your preference. Next, adjust the tint slider to correct any color casts from mixed lighting. If the image still doesn't look right, revisit the eyedropper tool for additional sampling. Review your adjustments by toggling the before and after view. Fine-tune your settings until you're satisfied with the white balance. Once the white balance looks good, you can proceed to edit other aspects of your photo. Continue with your edits, such as exposure, contrast, and saturation, to enhance the overall image. When you're done, export your edited photo by clicking on File and then Export. Choose your desired settings, then click Export to save your up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.